Okay, so on a previous video, I had done a review of the Garmin Mini 3 dash cam. Um, I had mentioned that one of the faults with it was the app as far as downloading files. It just takes way too long, it buffers. Garmin is trying to put too many 1-minute segments all together, and it's just terrible. So anyways, my suggestion was to just pop out the micro SD card, take it to your laptop and plug it in and download the files that way. And somebody had commented on that video and said, hey, they used their Android phone. They plugged it directly into the camera with their USB cord and were able to access the camera as if it were a flash drive. So I had tried that this morning with the iPhone, was wondering if that worked too, and sure enough, it does. So here's the camera. You unplug the cord out of the side. Let's plug in. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So when you plug it in, the light turns green on your camera. You go to your Folders app on your iPhone. And once you're in there, here's this folder called No Name. Click on that. It's DSIM. This 105, I believe this stands for unsaved. So we'll click on that. And lo and behold, here's all the videos. And if you click on it, opens instantly, and it's perfect. And from here, you could save it to your phone. So super easy. So to the viewer that suggested that, thanks so much for the great idea. It works on Android phones, and now I proved it works on an iPhone too. Thanks again. We'll catch you on the next one.